The Crown Vic's back at the racetrack with the 456 gear upgrade. Let's see how she does. And one thing I forgot is that when you put 456 gears or 488 gears in an 8.8, you have to mill a cross pin. Or plan ahead and buy a cross pin. But I didn't, so I milled a couple, so I have them on hand. And here's why. They don't fit past the gear. And then you got to turn at 90. All right, enough of that crap. Let's get to racing. So first pass out, we're going to race Aaron's CTSV. This thing weighs less and has probably double the horsepower of the Crown Vic, so it should be a close race. Well, that was closer than it should have been, but that was mostly because he wasn't messing with us. He was actually just spinning the tires like crazy. That was 10 pounds.
Okay, I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, I hit 100.71 miles an hour.
Because it seemed pretty strong on top and there's no smoke, not even shifts. You know, you spun a little bit in first.
Yeah, it spun.
It sounded good.
Yeah.
So
It felt good.
Yeah.
It was 14 second, quarter mile.
14 second.
Yep. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it any better because that was a pretty solid run. The only thing I could do different this time is wrap third out a little farther.
A little further?
Yeah. And I think that really slowed me down out there.
Yeah.
But
what I'm going to try this
Do that
time.
in the spinning in the first gear like you did, because it didn't. I mean, you didn't move too much. You just spun the tires pretty good. Then you hit second.
Yeah.
You know, partially through first, you got traction. You hit second, so we'll see.
Alright guys, I don't want to say today was a disappointment because it really wasn't. We did make the car a little slower, so 411s probably would have been a better option than 456. But that's okay. That's not hard for me to do. I'm going to change those out to 411 before the next time out. That'll probably be springtime though. Unfortunately, I think we are running out of season, and we got a Caprice to finish up. We're going to get that Caprice done, and we are going to have head-to-head competitions in the spring between the Caprice and the Crown Vic. We'll see what they can do, and then we can kind of upgrade from there. So now, if you wouldn't mind, here's a burn-off send-off for a friend, Howie, who usually is out there racing with us, and he is no longer with us. His family had his car out there. It's the 68 Camaro with the white stripe on the side. And we're going to do a little burn-off send-off for him, so enjoy that, and we'll see you on the next one.